Ever tried asking ChatGPT to edit a logo? You want one thing changed and it redraws the whole thing, or spits out results like this, which is not that great. Most AIs just cannot leave things alone. Our magic editor does. It only changes what you ask for and keeps the rest untouched. I'll show you exactly how it works, so stick around, this will be pretty quick. On Logo Diffusion, the first thing you'll notice is our new gallery, updated daily with fresh logo ideas. You can still reuse prompts to create new variations in the same style or use the magic editor to make precise edits in seconds. Let me show you a few examples. Let's click the magic editor and upload the first logo. For this one, I'll type change the logo text to Mega Mom and make the red star into a pink heart. Let's click generate and in seconds the logo updates. The main text is now Mega Mom, the star becomes a heart, and everything else, the style, curve and colors, stay exactly the same. You can even see how in the Mega Mom logo the font was preserved, even though some of the letters like the M weren't in the original, and it still generated the new letters in the exact same style and font. Okay, let's do another one. I'll upload it and type change his hat into a bowler hat. Click generate, and as you can see, the hat changes while the rest of the logo is untouched. So if you want to update a logo without it turning into a complete redesign, this is how you do it. Okay, let's do one more from our gallery. Choose a logo and just click the magic edit. I'll type change the little bear into a sleeping black and white dog. Let's click generate, and the animal swaps perfectly in the same style as the original bear. Now let's say I also want to change the chair. Why not, right? First, we need to replace the original image, which is a bear, with our new dog version. And to do that, click edit this image and write a new prompt. I'll type replace the chair behind the dog with a fancy throne and keep the dog intact. And I'll click generate. Now imagine doing this manually. We're saving hours right now and I'm pretty excited, honestly. And there we go, the chair changes and the dog stays the same. Not in days or hours, we transformed all these logos while keeping them fully consistent in seconds, probably less than a minute for all of them. And you can do this with any logo from our gallery or upload your own. Try it yourself and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching and I'll see you very soon.